We appreciate you coming back to the Coin Surreys channel. You guys, I saw something completely ridiculous happen here today. Someone has always wanted me to tell you the truth. I want to provide you the numbers, the data, and the measurements so that everyone can hear the truth and not these fake narratives. While scrolling through my news stream earlier today, X, previously Twitter, stood out to me as especially ridiculous. Furthermore, many have asserted that the bull run has come to an end, citing the exclusion of XRP and XLM as examples. Please explain the historical events that followed the Bitcoin halving. I'm going to spill the beans and say that I anticipate a more robust upward surge this time around. But let's get down to brass tacks and discuss the here and now. The BRICS nations have had 36 applications for membership so far, and the BRICS ambassador has forecast that the US dollar will soon be obsolete in 2024. Russia just signed a law allowing the use of digital assets for trade, and we know that Ripple has talked to many, if not all, nations in BRICS. The present sum of around 796 million is insignificant when we consider the potential future availability of tokenized treasuries. However, when it comes to tokenized treasuries, Stellar is currently the market leader. In fact, they have more than Ethereum on hand right now. Big banks and investment firms are not day traders, and I want you to know that, as they start buying Bitcoin that retail is selling. This is becoming apparent as they go on an unbelievable spending spree. The person they claim to be is not a swing trader. Hoarding will be their strategy until they have amassed everything. Additionally, to guarantee full command, this is an unprecedented opportunity to outperform the competitors and the market. Therefore, we must proceed with prudence and intelligence. I am not a financial advisor, but I am sharing my thoughts on this once-in-a-lifetime chance. I don't pretend to have any expertise in financial matters, but I can't help but wonder how frequently we will get another opportunity to be the first to market, rather than waiting for the institutions to act. The XRPX index shows that people are currently trying to get out of the market as a result of their fear of even small drops. Other digital currencies that comply with ISO standards, such as Salam and XTC, are experiencing a sell-off today. Also, there is no market more manipulated than the global Bitcoin market due to the extreme manipulation that occurs there. In 2012, on November 28th, Bitcoin was worth $13, half of what it is now. Having said that, I would want to inform you about the events that transpired after the prior Bitcoin halvings. During that year, it peaked at 1,152. The second one was for $664 and was released on July 16, 2016, about 17,760 in the next year. After 2020, which was certain to be an unusual year what with the epidemic and all, we move on to 2021. In 2020, though, the third halves were the norm. Furthermore, the price of one Bitcoin was at $9,700 when the halving occurred. It had risen to $67,500 just after the peak. Everything is going to go crazy in June or July of each of these cycles. As I've said in a lot of videos, the beginning of each cycle was a strong rally to the extreme right, then consolidation, a small correction, a big bull run, and finally, a blow off top. There is still time to buy XRP and X, in my opinion, because the cryptocurrency market is soaring. Poorly acknowledged and fiercely suppressed. I know a lot of you can confirm this, but these two digital currencies aren't just among the world's most prominent organizations. They're among the biggest and best of their kind. Do you think that was a coincidence? Conversely, do you think XRP and a carefully prepared case at the SEC are about to come to a close? Or that they just got lucky with these institutions? It is absolutely absurd that people are selling right now. If you ask me, I can't handle how ridiculous it is. You don't have to take my word for it. The graph and statistics show us the historical context in which we find ourselves. In addition, it will show you, down to the last detail, the history and future of this location. Right now and for the next several months. Mark the comments section with an X if you wish to know which major financial institutions are not seeking to exit the industry. At that point, the video shuts off. As always, you may like and subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or ideas, you can leave a comment. Until next time.